Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be a little off the wall. It's gonna be a hot noodle or a spicy noodle eating challenge. I got 3 friends of mine that's willing, and we're discussing what videos to make, and so we decided to make a challenge out of it. So I got 3 friends. Do this. They got this this that right here. This spicy 3 noodles. Now part of the challenge is going to be they're going to cook their own noodles the way they want to, but they have to eat it without drinking any liquids within the 3-minute time period. The first person, the first person to finish all their noodles within 3 minutes wins 500 pesos from me. Again, we were just talking about this videos that we watch. And I decided to make a video on this just for fun, and so a little bit here I will introduce each one that's gonna take the challenge on this one. So as follows, here are the contestants. All right, here's the first contestant.
Hey, I'm Noel. I will take the challenge.
All right. Okay, go.
My name is Jonathan Cardino.
And you're willing to take the challenge?
I'm willing to take the challenge.
All right. Okay. All right. So both of them are heating their pot right now, and they're taking the contents of their noodles. So they're cooking it. It says they can cook it the way they want or put in the way they want. They can put as much water they want to water it down if they want, but if they do that, they have to drink all the soup or the thing for it. So right now they're heating their water, and they got their special way. They're the experts down there, the noodle eating experts. All right, 2 contestants. They're cooking the ramen already. And Noel down here is adding some cabbage on his soup, just a little bit. And Jonathan here is just strictly plain soup with the sauce and everything. All right. Isasali mo yung ano mo? O hindi na?
Saan ka? Sasalin ko.
Ba't hindi mo pinakuluan? Para ano?
No, hindi na kailangan.
Alright. He's putting raw cabbage in there.
Sarap. So yummy.
So yummy. Okay, so they got their food ready in front of them. They got 3 minutes. And the clock starts now. They're starting to grow. Oh man.
Boy, tapang, o dito lang. Hindi ko malunok. Reverse. I think I'm give up.
Give up.
I can finish the challenge.
Oh, you can't finish it. Oh, and one is down.
Ano ba yan? Panalo na ako.
Hindi pa.
Ako din, ma'am.
You got till 3 minutes to finish it. Look at Jonathan on. He might win it. If he got 2 more minutes. Drink some milk. Inom ng gatas. Ay, kaya na to. Ayun, napkin oh. Kuha ka dyan ito, napkin oh. Punas ka.
Hindi ko malunok.
Hindi malunok. Unti na lang, oo nga. A little bit more. 1 more minute. You got 1 minute to finish it.
Hindi ko na.
Oh, I didn't make it. They didn't make the challenge. All right. Oh, yeah. And the spicy noodles win. All right.